from Greater Napanee Gunworks. I thought I might as well do something for Canada's Day. Something for everybody else gets a little something, something. See this? Over, under? You purchase this, you get a ballot to win this. So today's Tuesday. I'm going to go till Friday till I close. Anybody that purchases any one of these firearms, used, new, I don't care, gets a name in, you could win this 1911 22. All right? Look at that right there. Free. If you don't have your restricted, I'm willing to work out a deal. You know me. I love deals. So I'll see you before Friday at about 5, but most people know we close about 9. I'll see you then. Thank you. Have a good day.